This is by far the best purchase I've made from Amazon. They don't lie when they say the seat is really big. It comes with a cooler that is a really decent size. My husband is going to love to be able to put his beers in there. The back has a pocket, and the side has a pocket too. And you have the cup holders. Oh, I have a demonstrator. Please sit, ma'am. And if you're skinny, you can fit 2 people in the chair. Move over, move over. Look at that. Huge and nice and comfortable. Thank you, Amazon.
No, I can open it.
Broken here, zipper's broken. Backs of chairs come off and ripped.
Is the AC door black?
Same with the other one.